Lecture 3: The Language of Incentives and Opportunity Cost. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to our Understanding Economics series. In today's lecture, we are going to explore two very powerful concepts: incentives and opportunity cost. Let's start with incentives. In simple words, incentives are the reasons or motivations behind our actions. They are the rewards or penalties that influence how people behave. For example, if the price of a product decreases, consumers are more likely to buy it. Why? Because they are getting a better deal. That's a positive incentive. Similarly, if the government increases taxes on cigarettes, people may reduce smoking. That's a negative incentive. So, incentives can be positive, rewards, discounts, profits; negative, penalties, fines, higher costs. Businesses use incentives all the time. They offer discounts, bonuses, and promotions to attract customers and increase sales. Understanding incentives helps businesses answer questions like how to attract more customers, how to increase sales, how to motivate employees. Now let's move to the second concept: opportunity cost. Opportunity cost means the value of the next best alternative that you give up when making a decision. In simple words, when you choose one thing, you lose another. For example, if you spend your time watching a movie instead of studying, the opportunity cost is the study time you lost. In business, if a company invests money in Project A instead of Project B, then the profit from Project B is the opportunity cost. This concept is very important because resources are limited. Choices are necessary. Every decision has a cost. Good decision makers always think about opportunity cost before making a choice. Key takeaway: incentives drive behavior. Opportunity cost helps in better decision making. Together, these concepts help us understand how individuals and businesses make smart economic decisions. If you found this lecture helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like and share this video with your friends. And press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming lectures. In the next lecture, we will explore more exciting economic concepts. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.